In this video, I'll show you how you can use the Figaf tool, the Gradle plugins, to edit SAP CPI value mappings in a real editor. So here we have a value mapping, and with the Figaf tool, we have the option now to create and download it, put it into a Git repository, and that means we will have access to history of these things to be able to show what was actually changed between these versions. And then you also obviously have the value mapping here, and one of the things we can do is we can change the value here and save it without leaving my editor. We can actually upload it, and this will take a few minutes or seconds to deploy, upload, and then you can start the deployment all from the editor. And that means that if you go back here, do a refresh, we can see the value we just created was, so up here we can see it was changed all the way. If we make an edit up here and change it to real good value, save it as a version for instance, then we can also from here just say download, reformat the code, and now we can see it's all edited here, and we can obviously then commit it to the Git repository and do these other kind of things. If you're using the Figaf tool, it will also save all the versions. You'll be able to see the differences between versions, making it really easy for you to manage all these changes. Hope you want to check it out. You can see it at figaf.com/devops, or if you just want to try the Git Gradle plugins, you can get them from GitHub, Figaf/CPI Gradle plugin, and there's a guide about what needs to be done here, but it is way easier just to get the full Figaf tool to create this package for you.